And we have flat icon. It has about 17.3 million vector icon, and also sticker as well. I have the icon style. Let's try this one. I can download PNG in various sizes. I have also SVG as well. Okay, let's go with sticker. I have sticker. It's pretty nice. Can download in PNG, but I also have SVG. I need to subscribe for about 7.5 euro per month. Okay, let's try to search. I have, let's see. There's a lot of different style and icon here. I have about 500 navigation. Yeah, it's huge library of icon here. I can download it for free in PNG, but I need to as a premium subscription if I want to download in SVG. Have interface icon, and also I think it also integrate with Figma. It's pretty nice. Yeah, it's a lot of library. And next we have icon finder. Let's check this one. Oh, it's a lot of icon here. I can pick filter the icon as well. Premium, free. I have a different style. Let's try this one. I can pick the size of the icon. Also can download in PNG, SVG as well. Oh, nice. Can download directly and also can copy the SVG. This AI illustration icon and also EGNS format. This is pretty straightforward though. Get illustration. Download with Pro. Get 3D illustration as well. Pretty nice. And I also have sticker. SVG. Yeah, I like this one because I can download directly with the SVG without registration. Okay, let's try search. Sticker about icon. Ooh, it's a lot of icon there. Nice. Yeah, what I like the most about this website is I can download directly without registration, especially for the SVG. Can filter for the premium only. Right. That's what is pretty nice, pretty good. It has a 3D illustration icon and also sticker. Another one we have icon sock. It's a lot of color in each icon here. Let's see, so many. I can change the color here. Really nice. Can download in various size. Can SVG and AI as well. And next we have material design icon from Google. I think the icon for this one is pretty limited in my opinion. Let's see. I can download the SVG and also PNG format as well. Can change my size, and also I can change the color for the icon. Nice. Can to filter, increase in the wake. Yeah, although the icon is limited, but what I like the most is this one here. I can change the style directly and download the SVG and PNG format. And it also can be used with the development directly using this one. And next one is I have the Noun Project. Let's see what they have here. Wanted to pay what then $10 per month. It's pretty expensive in my opinion. Can change the color here. Oh, nice. Can rotate as well. Upside down. Can change the background. Nice. Wanted to register to get this one. It has about 7 million. So it's a little bit limited compared with the Flaticon. Yeah, most of them is black and white, monochrome color. Although you can change the color to another one, but most likely it's just plain color for the icon.